Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel RB Creative channel. If you are new in our channel, then subscribe to our RB Creative channel and click on the all notifications. You get more information profit of every videos. Today we discuss about the most important topic of the trigonometric chapter. What is the relations of the trigonometric formulas? That is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. What is the values of the sine theta? We can write the symbolic form of sine theta, cos theta and the tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Let's draw a picture of right angle that is called CBA, that is ABC. Then 90 degree, angle of the 90 degree, and it is the base. Then so AC, it is the H for hypotenuse, that is the BC, the P perpendicular. PC is perpendicular to the AB line of base C. Now we can write AB is equals to B, that is the base, BC, that is the P perpendicular, that is the AC, H hypotenuse. Now we can get the AB equal to B base, BC equals to P perpendicular, AC equals to H hypotenuse. Now you can find the values of the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now we can write sine theta equals to BC by AC when BC equals to P and AC equals to H for the hypotenuse, P for perpendicular. Okay, sure. Then you can write cos theta is equals to AB by AC, where AB equals to B and AC equals to H, B for base and SC plus HG equal to hypotenuse. Then you can write tan theta is equals to BC by AB, where BC is equals to P and AB is equals to B, B for base and P for perpendicular. Okay, then you can write cot theta is equals to AB by BC, AB is equals to B, then BC is equals to P. Okay, AB by BC. Then find sec theta is equals to AC by AB, where AC equals to H and AB is equals to B base. Then you can find last term cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to AC whole divided by BC, where AC is equals to H for hypotenuse and BC is equals to perpendicular. Okay, then AB is equals to B and BC is equals to P, where AC is equals to H and AB is equals to B. Then AC is equals to H and BC is equals to P. Now consider the terms of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta and cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Then sine theta is equals to the is equal to the cosec theta and cos theta is equals to the sec theta. Then tan theta is equals to the cot theta, while sin theta equal to BC by AC. Now you can remember and equal to cosec theta is equals to then the multiplication of the BC by AC into 1 by 1 is equals to AC by BC. The term is equal to cosec theta equal to AC by BC. Then cos theta is equals to AB by AC. Then cos theta is equals to AB by AC. Then their alternative is equals to sec theta. Then AC by AB. Then you can find tan theta. Tan theta equal to BC by AB, where tan theta is reversible of the cot theta when cos theta equal to cot theta equals to AB by BC. Okay. Finally, we can get sin theta is equals to cosec theta, cos theta is equals to sec theta, tan theta is equals to cot theta. Then it is a brother relation. Sin theta is the brother of cosec theta, or cosec theta is the brother of sin theta. Cos theta is the brother of sec theta, and sec theta is the brother of cos theta. Then tan theta is the brother of cot theta, and cot theta is the brother of tan theta. Let's draw a right angle and their names A, B, C. It is the 90 degree. It is the base B, and it is the H hypotenuse, and it is the P perpendicular. It is the base. Okay. Now you can write sin theta is equals to P by H. It is the perpendicular whole divided by the hypotenuse, and cos theta is equals to B by H. B is the base whole divided by H equal hypotenuse, and tan theta is equals to P by B, where P is the perpendicular and B is the base. Now you can write the geometrical term. P is the AB, where AB whole divided by H is the hypotenuse is AC. Then B is the BC whole divided by H. H is the hypotenuse AC is equals to P is the perpendicular AB whole divided by the B is the base is the BC. Now we can find the other situations, that is the trigonometric formulas, that is the cos theta, sec theta, and finally cosec theta. Then cot theta is the reversible of the tan theta when B by P. Cot theta equals to P by P, where B equal to base whole divided by perpendicular BC. We can write the geometrical situation BC by AB. While cot theta is a reversible of tan theta, the tan theta equal to AB by BC. We can write the cot theta equals to BC by AB. It's a reversible. Okay, interrelations between the cot theta and tan theta. You can write the easily the sec theta, and sec theta is equals to the, it is the best relation between the cos theta, where cos theta is equals to B by H. We can also write the sec theta equals to H by B, when H equals to hypotenuse and B is the base, and B is the B by H, and we can write the geometrical formula AC by BC. And last term is the cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reversible function of the sin theta, or the sin theta is the brother of cosec theta, and cosec theta is the brother of sin theta, and sin theta equal to P by H. We can write the cosec theta is equal to H by P, and hypotenuse by perpendicular. So we can write the, we can see sin theta is equals to the AB by AC. We can write the, also write the cosec theta is equals to AC by AB. Now you can easily remember of the formulas. Finally, the importance formula is sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, or and cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Then cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Then tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, because sin theta is the reversible of 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta equals to reversible of the 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is the reversible function of the sec theta, while we can write the formulas. Cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta is the reversible function of the cos theta, which is sec theta. Then also they write the tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, and the cot theta is the reversible function of the tan theta. Then sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, and the cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and the sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Then tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and the cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Now this is the class of last discussion is the very important formula, that is the tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos theta whole divided by sin theta. Okay, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and the cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. I hope today class is a very important class. You can remember through the easily for the most important formulas of the trigonometric formula. Okay friends, bye.